navigate Blackboard and what a typical week of the course will look like. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into learning materials. Up at the top here will be your StatCrunch guide. It's over on a quick link on the left. We'll use this starting week 2. And what this is it goes through step by step on how to do each different type of test and calculation in StatCrunch. So it'll show you for week 2, you can see we make frequency tables. These are the buttons we're going to press. This is what we should plug into the menu, and this is what the output should look like. So this will be a quick reference guide, so you guys can go through that, use it along with your homeworks, your quizzes, your tests, just as a quick reference on how to do things in StatCrunch. So the next thing we're going to do is going to go into week 1. At the top, it'll tell you what to expect, and then it'll give you a to-do list. So the first thing for the first week, you're going to need to post your introduction to the discussion board. Then you're going to read week 1, Introduction to Statistics module. Then you're going to complete your homework, and you're going to complete your communication quiz. So you can see here, this is our first module. It tells you everything you're going to learn in the module. And then up here, it gives you notes to fill out as you go through the module. So if we click on this, this will give us our notes. And it's just an outline for you to fill everything in. So this will be outline. It writes down the question for you, and then you can write down how to do the questions. So this is helpful to organize all the information in the module. So to fill this out, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link here. I also put it on the side as your module's weekly readings. So this is going to serve as your online textbook. So you can see if we click on this, it's going to take us to the online course. So this course, we're going to go to week 1. So each week you're going to do one of these. Sometimes you'll have 2. So we're going to click on week 1. And this will have videos and different information. It'll have some practice problems for you guys to do as you're going through this. So this should match up perfectly with the content guide, with those notes. So you can fill out the notes by going through these modules. So you can do some practice questions here and go through these. And that should help you out as you are learning the material. So I would use this instead of the e-textbook. The e-textbook I use mostly for extra information, and that's where the homework questions will align with. But if you go through this, this should be more helpful than the textbook will be. So then I'm going to go back. So if we go back into learning materials, we're going to go back into week 1. So we went through how we get our information. If you need extra practice, you can do the worksheet. The worksheet isn't graded, it's just extra practice. And then at the bottom here, we'll have all your assignments. So if you click on this, it'll take you to your assignments for the week. You have your introduction discussion board. This link will take you straight to the homework. And then this will be your communication quiz. And then you can submit it to the Dropbox here. So that should be everything you need for each week. Again, if you want to go straight to the textbook, you can click on this link over here. That'll take you to those weekly readings. The StatCrunch guide is also over here. And if you want to see all of your assignments, you can click on the assignments tab, and that has all your assignments for the semester. So that should help you out navigating the course. If you have any other questions, please let me know.